All right. Hi, everyone. My name is Trenton, and I'll be hosting today's top mobile forms for construction webinar. If at any point during the webinar today you have any questions at all, go ahead and enter them into the chat box there on the right-hand side, and we'll be sure to get to them at the end of the presentation today. So let's get started. Today, we'll be exploring the top 8 mobile forms for construction teams, including the features and uses that make them great. Here's a quick rundown of everything we'll be covering today. We're going to start with why your business should leverage mobile forms. Then we'll dive into the forms themselves, including the work order, the job proposal, the job site inspection, the equipment safety checklist, the invoice, the timesheet, the injury and illness report, and finally the employee evaluation. After reviewing the top 8 forms, we'll explore the automated workflows every construction team could benefit from. We'll discuss then how to digitize your forms with GoFormz. And finally, we'll take a quick look at our Procore integration, and then we'll wrap it all up with a quick Q&A. So let's dive right in. Converting your existing paper forms into digital forms that you can use on tablets and phones results in immediate benefits. Mobile forms not only provide a more modern professional means of construction data capture, but also allow for the standardization of documents across locations and teams. Mobile forms can also host data types paper forms simply couldn't hold, empowering your field team to collect information that would otherwise be unattainable. For an example, construction images, job site GPS data, and barcode scanning. With embedded form logic, your admins can better control the types of information input into forms while enforcing specific data capture processes. For example, if a user attempted to submit a form without adding their signature, your form's logic would alert the user their signature was missing, and they would actually be unable to submit their form until that signature was added. Finally, forms can be completed anywhere and at any time, even without Signal. Empower your construction teams can complete their work without the restrictions of data or internet access. This submitted data is also available in real time, allowing teams to complete their work without waiting for that manual delivery or processing of documents. So now that we've explored a few of the benefits of mobile forms, let's explore the top 8 mobile forms for your construction team. And we're going to start first with the work order. And work orders are used to capture vital customer information and job details, including the project requirements and associated cost of labor, along with any services and materials needed to actually complete the work. Much of the information recorded in the work order is used to calculate most, if not all, of the costs entailed on that specific job. Using mobile work orders, your teams can be configured to automatically complete these calculations, providing you with instant and accurate data each and every time. Your mobile work orders can also host database fields like dropdowns. And when a dropdown item is selected, associated fields can be instantly populated with previously collected, highly accurate data, further expediting data entry. For example, on-site construction teams could select a customer's name from a dropdown and instantly populate that customer's phone number, the address, project details, and so much more. Finally, these work orders can be equipped with digital signature capture, allowing team members to capture signatures on site for instant approval and authorization. Signature fields can even be made required, forcing users to record the signature before that form is even submitted. Let's move on to our next form, and that's going to be the digital job proposal. So impress prospective clients with professional digital job proposals. Similar to those work orders we just spoke of, job proposals can also be equipped with automatic calculations and database fields, saving you time and preventing those user errors. These digital job proposals can also host new data types like images and sketches, allowing your construction teams to include visuals of proposed work or past examples of similar projects. Another huge benefit of these digital job proposals is that as soon as your customer or client signs off on that form, it is instantly stored in a cloud-based database. If at any point during the job there is a dispute or question regarding the original agreement, you have instant access to that document that was saved with the appropriate timestamp and original information. Your mobile job proposals will show you who proposed the job and who signed off on it. This type of information can give both the business and the customer peace of mind as soon as that job does begin. Next, let's discuss the digital job site inspection form. So job site inspection forms play a crucial role in assessing and noting potential hazards and completing job safety analysis procedures. Mobile forms ensure that job site inspections are completed thoroughly, with accuracy, and in a timely, efficient manner, keeping your team safe but also compliant. These digital job site inspections can be further enhanced with logic, which enforces your business's rules by manipulating the look and behavior of that actual form. For example, a form could be configured so that as soon as a user were to select a checkbox noting an on-site hazard, that form would then be routed to their supervisor. Your digital job site inspections can also include GPS data and images, allowing you to capture the precise location of the actual job site and visually record any on-site hazards. All right, let's move on to another critical on-site safety form, and that's going to be the equipment safety checklist. The digital equipment safety checklist helps keep your team proactive and safe. You can rapidly fill out equipment safety checklists with dropdowns pre-filled with specific data, ensuring accuracy and expediting completion. Using checkboxes, easily note completion of specific inspection tasks, and with those image fields, you can easily include visuals of equipment hazards or obstructions to compliance. If a specific checkbox or field is completed, your form can be configured to automatically send a completed copy to their supervisors, who can help address the issue more rapidly and with more context. Because these mobile forms are also searchable, previous equipment handlers can be easily located to help resolve any equipment issues that may arise for your team. So next, let's discuss the advantages of digital invoices. Mobile forms make it easy to complete and share professional digital invoices with customers. You can expedite payment, improve accuracy, and elevate that client communication. These digital invoices provide a professional breakdown of project line items by including customizable tables and automatic calculations. Tables can also host a variety of fields, from dates to dropdowns, while those automatic calculations can instantly and accurately sum your line item totals, hours of labor, and so much more. Construction teams can also instantly populate invoice field with customer information using those dropdowns pre-filled with data source collections of data. Locating your invoices using customer information is also made simple with tags, which is a digital record-keeping feature that allows forms to be tagged with customer, project, or user information, both manually and automatically. And with these tagged forms, locating specific customer invoices is made far simpler. Next, let's explore the time-saving features of digital timesheets. So tracking work hours and payroll information for every employee in your business can mean a mountain of paperwork and processing. With these mobile timesheets, you can simplify payroll information collection and processing for both construction management and their teams. Using those advanced calculations built into your actual timesheets, forms can automatically track total hours worked over a period of time, including those lunch breaks they take every day. These timesheets also can be equipped with dynamic field properties to highlight overtime hours worked and present additional fields for completion to those who have recorded overtime. The employee timesheet sign-offs are also a simple process that is recorded instantly and can be automatically forwarded to the supervisor, who can approve it. With the supervisor's signature, the form can then be forwarded to payroll for processing. All right, let's move on to our next mobile construction form, and that's going to be the digital incident and injury report. Working in construction, accidents just happen. With these digital forms like the incident and injury report, they help keep your team safe, informed, and also compliant. When a job site incident does occur, it is best to be prepared to document everything that has happened as soon as possible. With the mobile form, employee injury and illness reports are instantly available on your mobile device. And similar to those inspection forms we talked of, including photos of an incident can help capture thorough and critical data for your team. After you fill out all the necessary information and press the complete key, your workflow's logic can automatically route the form to the appropriate personnel, ensuring timely delivery and enforcing proper procedures. Let's continue on to our final form of the webinar today, and that's going to be the employee evaluation form. So creating, conducting, and filling out employee evaluations can be a daunting task for your team. Fortunately, with mobile forms, it's an easy way to streamline the evaluation process across the whole company and simplify record keeping. When creating your digital employee evaluation or using our starter form, you can choose your desired performance parameters and implement dynamic features such as the like art skills to customize your performance measurements. You can also include a note section for each parameter you may have on your form. The mobile evaluation form can automatically calculate an employee's total score, and when it is approved by the reviewer, it can be automatically stored in a secure database and tagged with their information. So no need to worry about filling out any more paper or wasting time searching for those old evaluations. No matter your project or your job role, leveraging automated workflows to streamline the completion of daily tasks is incredibly beneficial. One such automation your team should consider is the automated routing of completed form PDFs to customers or partners. This automation instantly routes a copy of the completed forms to emails input into your actual forms themselves. By instantly routing copies to fellow collaborators, your forms can keep your team proactive, communicative, and extremely responsive. The routing of forms to other business applications can also be automated, allowing your team to instantly save form copies to specific cloud storage apps and other systems like Procore, ServiceMax, Tableau, Smartsheets, and so many more. This workflow significantly optimizes your record keeping and organization without adding to your team's current workflow. So GoFormz empowers your teams to convert their construction forms to digital versions that can be used on phones and tablets and even offline. Digitizing your forms, processes, and data with GoFormz is an incredibly easy and simple process. You would start by uploading a JPEG or a PDF of your form onto the computer. Then you'll drag and drop all your smart fields onto your now mobile form. And then you'll save that form and download the GoFormz app. And then you can start filling out and completing your forms as you go. Your now mobile forms can also host a variety of data types and features paper forms simply couldn't handle. For example, you can easily include project images, GPS data, barcode data, all straight from your mobile device. These features make it far simpler to detail project progress and keep your team compliant while also elevating the quality of gathered data and resulting insights. Another amazing thing about GoFormz is we're accessible in all the major app stores. So no matter if you're using iOS, Android, or Windows, we got you covered. Our integration with Procore, a leader in construction project management software, provides an incredible opportunity to streamline the sharing of highly accurate real-time data while expediting form completion. This integration enables GoFormz users to seamlessly pass data between their mobile forms and Procore records. This means that as Procore admins can generate and dispatch mobile forms pre-filled with data, and their field teams can complete their mobile forms from job sites and automatically create or update a Procore record with captured data and an attached PDF of that actual form. This not only simplifies form completion for field teams, but also reduces administrative demands and increases accuracy through the sharing of data between GoFormz and Procore. Working with our professional services team, additional integration and functionalities can be added upon your request and tailored to fit your specific business needs. So that's going to be it for me today, folks. I thank you guys so much. I'll be sending each one of you a recording of today's webinar. But if at any point you have any other questions or want to take a deeper dive into the functionalities of GoFormz, you can reach me directly at 858-926-7686, which is my direct office line, or my direct email, which is tpolanco@goformz.com. Have a great Thursday, guys. Cheers.